Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. Today is the third weekly expiry, and once again, Nifty closed around 24,000 plus or minus 200 point. April series, Nifty closed 24,000 plus minus 200. May series also closed 24,000 plus minus 200. And June series also closed 24,000 plus minus 200. And July series, so far 3 weeks are over and still it is 24,000 plus minus 200. And people who have been taking 24,000 short straddle, they are simply sitting down and making profit. Even the December 24,000 short straddle, it has given a very good profit. And today, the market started with the fear of this HDFC Bank falling, because HDFC Bank was down by 5% yesterday here, whereas it was down more than 10.5% in US. So the people were worried. But luckily, HDFC Bank did not fall that much, but it fell. And as of now, HDFC Bank has given zero return for last 5 years. I don't know how many more years it's going to give zero return. And again, Reliance Industries is also struggling around 1,300. So that's already more than 15% down from recent all-time high. So the number one and number two stocks are not doing well. Then what is the point of other stocks moving slightly higher? Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, they all sold off hugely yesterday. So there was some minor recovery. But then today, Reliance fell, HDFC Bank fell, and IT stocks also started falling now, and especially the TCS. So because of this, the markets were very, very weak. But today the GIFT Nifty was indicating very big gap down, but that much gap down it did not happen. But still, the markets fell for second straight day. And I don't know what happened. As soon as our market is over, the GIFT Nifty is indicating another 70-80 point down. And surprisingly, today FIIs are net buyers. That too, they are net buyers for more than 1,000 crore. It is the domestic institutions, they were net sellers today. So our market is still consolidating, and consolidating between 23,800 and 24,300. And two times in the July series, Nifty tried to break out, but both the times, it's a false breakout. It came back. Historically, the Nifty has given average of 3% positive return in the month of July, but this time looks like it's going to be very difficult because we have only 5 more trading sessions, and right now the GIFT Nifty indicates Nifty around 24,100. So if it has to go to 24,600 as expected, so Nifty has to rally 500 points in 5 trading sessions. That's very difficult. And today, the US futures were higher and European markets are slightly higher. So despite that, our market was very, very weak. So overall, this is a disappointing series. And then this disappointment has been continuing since April. We don't know how long this market is going to consolidate. But one thing is sure, as and when it breaks out or breaks down, the next leg of the market is going to be brutal. So either it might travel to 25,000 plus or 23,000 minus. So right now, neither breaking out nor breaking down. And but meanwhile, mid caps and small caps have outperformed. Yesterday also they have outperformed, and today also they have outperformed. It is a large cap stocks that are not moving at all. And incidentally, this July series, when it comes to an end, so this will be the end of 20 months. Remember, September end 2024 is when the Nifty hit a fresh all-time high. And then from there, 20 months, now market is down by about 10%. So this is a worst performing market in the world. So let us see. There was some news yesterday that $17 billion inflow has come through FCNR deposits, and that had no effect in markets. And today FIIs are net buyers. There is no effect in GIFT Nifty. So I do not know what can turn this market higher. So as a trader, why to worry? You just keep selling call options and keep enjoying the profit. So that is the thinking right now. So however, intraday volatility was very, very less today. I think from intraday high to low, it was not even 100 point. So it's a steady one. Those who have taken 24,200 straddle yesterday, they made a fantastic profit today. So even the 24,000 straddle, people who have taken 1 week before, also the same thing. So I went out for some other work, so I did not have time to look through the data and other things. So maybe tomorrow morning we will discuss in a better way. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.